In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your author name on KDP. Whether you're just starting your journey as an author or looking to refine your presence on Amazon, understanding how to correctly set up your author name on Kindle Direct Publishing is crucial. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to begin by starting a new book setup. This is the foundation of getting your book ready for publication on Amazon. If you're already logged into your KDP account, you'll find an option to start this process quite easily. Look for the Create New Title or Add a New Book button. This step is where it all begins, so make sure you're prepared with all the necessary details for your book as each section builds upon the last. Once you've initiated the book setup, the next important step is to head over to the Author Information section. This is a critical part of the setup because it's where you'll set the stage for your branding as an author. Remember, this information is about you, the author, not the book itself, and it plays a key role in how readers find and connect with your work. Now let's focus on entering your name as it should appear on Amazon. This is the name under which all your published works will be cataloged. It could be your real name or a pen name if you choose to write under a pseudonym. This decision impacts not only your book's branding, but also how readers will search for you on Amazon. So think carefully about how you want to be perceived and recognized in the literary world. Consistency is important, especially if you plan to publish multiple works. This is an exciting step as it solidifies your identity as a writer on such a prominent platform. After you've carefully entered your author name, don't forget to save your progress and continue. This action is straightforward but vital, ensuring that all the information you've inputted so far is securely stored. Nothing is more frustrating than reaching the end of a setup only to find that your data hasn't been saved. By doing this, you also prepare to move on to the next stage of your book's journey to being published. And there you have it. Setting up your author name on KDP doesn't have to be daunting. With these steps, you've established the setup for your author information, laying the groundwork for publishing on Amazon. Remember, your author name is a key part of your personal brand, and KDP is where it all begins. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you feel more confident in setting up your author name on KDP. Happy publishing!